Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Xfinity Stream on your PlayStation 5 console, follow these step-by-step instructions to watch your cable channels on your gaming system. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5 and ensure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to the media section. Step 2. Select the PlayStation Store and use the search function to look for Xfinity Stream. When you find the Xfinity Stream app in the results, select it. Step 3. Download and install the Xfinity Stream app on your PS5. The download should complete quickly as the app is relatively small in size. Step 4. After installation, return to your PS5 home screen and locate the Xfinity Stream app in your Media or Apps section. Launch the application. Step 5. When the Xfinity Stream app opens, you'll see options to sign in or get started. Select Sign In to begin the activation process. Step 6. The app will display a unique activation code on your TV screen. This code is usually 6 to 8 characters long. Keep this screen visible as you'll need it for the next steps. Step 7. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit xfinity.com. Authorize or the activation URL shown on your PS5 screen. Sign into your Xfinity account using your Xfinity ID and password. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your PS5 into the designated field on the website and click Continue or Activate Device. Return to your PlayStation 5, where the Xfinity Stream app should automatically refresh and display your available channels and content. You can now watch live TV, on-demand shows, and access your DVR recordings on your PS5. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.